How to add and manage an affiliate product in Wcart. From your Wcart admin dashboard, go to Products from the left sidebar. Click Add Product to create a new product. On the product creation page, select Affiliate as the product type. Start by entering the product title. Next, add a clear and detailed product description explaining the product and its key features. Next, go to the Media section. Upload a featured image for the product. You can also add additional images to the gallery. To showcase the product from different angles, scroll down to the Affiliate section. First, enter the affiliate URL. This is the external product link that customers will be redirected to when they click the Purchase button. Next, you can customize the button text. Then, add an affiliate disclaimer if required. And you can also add a commission note. This information is for internal reference. Next, configure the pricing information. Enter the product price and, if applicable, add a sale price. And then add a relevant meta title and meta description to improve the product's visibility in search engines. On the right side, configure the product's status. Under Organization, select the appropriate categories: primary category, brand or vendor, product template, and tags. Once everything is ready, click Save in the top right corner. After saving, you'll be redirected back to the Manage Products page. Click View to preview the product on your storefront. Check the product details, images, pricing, and affiliate purchase button. And if you want to edit the product information, click Edit in the product listing page. You can update the affiliate URL, pricing, images, description, and other settings. After making changes, click Save to update the product. Click Trash to remove the product from your active product list. A confirmation may appear before the product is moved to the trash. Confirm the action if you're sure you no longer need the product. Thank you for watching.